Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm excited. It's a little different. We're gonna get ready because we're gonna go see the movie Coraline in theaters. I'm going by myself though because my sister didn't want to go with me and my boyfriend's on vacation. This is my first time going to the movies by myself. I was thinking of like doing this whole, I was gonna make a shirt, but that's not gonna work out. And then I got this rain jacket that doesn't even fit me, so I'm just gonna base it off my outfit like out of what she's worn. Obviously it's not gonna be exactly, but you know, a little idea. I was thinking of maybe like a red romper kind of with a jean jacket. It has been pouring today. I'm like, this is perfect Coraline weather. If you know, you know. I'm home alone right now, so I'm like all comfortable and talking. Otherwise, I feel like other times I sound like I'm whispering. If I sound like I'm whispering other times, I'm sorry. I don't mean to be. It's just I don't really want anyone to hear me. I tried popping a pimple that I have right here, and I think I popped the vessel instead, or I don't really know how that works. But it's like red. I already did my skin prep. I was thinking of doing some freckles too, you know, 'cause she has cute little freckles. I think freckles are so cute. I like to use this to blend more in control to blend my concealer this way. I am using the Maybelline Fit Me. Honestly, an old friend showed me that concealer in high school, and I've honestly just been sticking to that concealer. But I also do have the NARS one. If anybody has any advice on this, that's what I get for wanting to pop them. It wasn't even ready either, so like, but sometimes, you know, the tiny ones that people be having, yeah, they're like a tiny one that I have. Since I'm not gonna put any music on so I don't get copyrighted, I'm singing. You're like, let me get out of this video. My mom is actually watching videos on cómo hacer su maquillaje, and I think it's so cute and it's kind of funny because my mom would always be like, compras muchas cosas, ahora sí en harto, y mírala, ahora ella se quiere pintar, quiere aprender cómo hacer todo ese rollo, y ahora ¿quién le reclama a ella? Pues nadie, ¿verdad? Porque no vas cuando ella lo está bien. She said sun-kissed. Sun-kissed. I remember when I was younger, I never really did makeup like that, but I remember always seeing like people with their videos doing their makeup, and like the backdrop was either, I can't remember what it was, but I always wanted one. You know what I'm talking about? Like the backdrop that every YouTuber had, I feel like. That, or they had a plain white backdrop, or some solid plain color. Do you guys remember that? What an era. What an era. It's just crazy to me how things change. Obviously things had to change. We're using the Revolution translucent baking powder. I don't really bake though because it's probably the product, but I haven't found anything that I can put under my eyes and let it sit there without it caking. Actually, the older that I've gotten, siento como que everything tends to cake up under my my eyes. And I did go in with a Pixie Orange blush. Blend her out. And then we're gonna go in again with another orange blush. This one is Beauty Bigger Size Hey Pumpkin. That's so cute. Can you tell that I am comfortable talking on the camera? Like, I like to blab on the camera when no one's around. Yeah. Oops. Now moisturize baby. I'm just gonna use this. I don't know where the applier is at. So I did find that pencil and like eyeliner. Ah, ni me va a salir. Oh, that looks bad, doesn't it? Does that look weird? I feel like I did it kind of dumb. This does not look cute. Oh my god. They're probably gonna be like, this girl, she really tried to have freckles. Yeah. I'm just gonna go over with a blush and just blend it a little bit. So this gives more, I mean, not really. This is what I'm trying to look like. But we're looking like a gothic Coraline version. Should I pretend that this is my, you know, she has a dragonfly hair clip? Ow! Don't even think about it, Coraline Jones. Ah. So we are heading to the movies. Now I'm gonna go get something to eat really quick as well because I'm not gonna be good with just popcorn. And to be honest, I don't really like movie theater food. Like their pizza, their hot dogs. I'm not really a fan, at least not at this mall. So let's go get something real quick. Please, we're here. I don't know how I want to record since it's just me, so.
Theaters for audiences to experience the
Look how gloomy it is. Y'all see that? It is pouring outside. But I'm finally home. I'm gonna stay in the car for a little bit because I really don't want to get wet. I'm so glad that I did not go get food even though I was super hungry. I still am. The popcorn did not. I didn't even finish it. Because like right away it empezó. So there wasn't any really commercials at all or anything like that. I was like, thank God again. Because like it was like 4:20. People were like really coming. It started like at 4:08 to be exact. It started at that time. So I'm like, God bless. I went and I trusted myself. Look at, y'all see how much it's pouring? Nothing really different, obviously, from the original. It's just like a different experience watching it in a movie theater. Just by yourself, it's different. So I would try it. 10 out of 10 recommend. It's hours later, but I'm here with Jessica.
Are you vlogging?
Yeah, I'm making a
Hi.
TikTok and a video.
Hi.
Who this are? We got, well, first we went to Uberways, and now we're having some Papa John's pizza.